Come and get ready with me. I always start my routine with the Snail Mucin Essence. I love the hydration it provides to my skin before applying makeup. Then I use my Dyson blow dryer to dry my face. Now I'm going to apply my SPF. This is Beauty of Joseon. I know I'm saying that wrong, but it is made of rice and probiotics. It is very popular. It was on back order, so it took some time to get this from Amazon, but it does come in a 2-pack and it smells good. A very light smell to it. Next, I go in and cover my little bags with the NARS pot concealer. I absolutely love this. It gives great coverage. I use this Dr. Jart for any color correction when I have a red spot. Have a little blemish red spot here that I picked, so this covers up redness very, very well, and you can find this in Sephora. I'm going for a fresh glowy face, so I'm using the Give Them the Lala bronzer. I absolutely love this bronzer. I got it in an Ipsy bag. I'm using the Sephora powder brush. Next, I'm going to use the Rare Beauty highlighter on my eyes. I use the color Flaunt. I love to highlight my lids, my nose, my cupid bow, and above my eyebrows. I always curl my lashes before applying mascara. I fill in my eyebrows with the eyebrow pencil. I use a couple of different ones, and then I will use a clear brow gel. Now for my favorite mascara duo. This is my new obsession. This Pat McGrath in Flash 3 is absolutely gorgeous. It stays on for a long time, it doesn't cake up, and it does not dry my lips out, and I don't even need to use lip liner. Here is the final and simple look in the sunlight. Like and follow for more.